So in this lesson we're going to look at momentum. What is the momentum of a moving object? So if we have an object here like this mini with a mass m in kilograms moving with a velocity v in meters per second, well, its momentum is equal to its mass multiplied by its velocity. So we have the symbol for momentum, which is p, or technically speaking it's the Greek letter rho, but it looks like a p, so we're using p here, is equal to m times v, so mv. And its unit will be, well, mass is kilograms, velocity meters per second, so kilograms dot meters per second. Okay, now velocity is what we call a vector quantity. That's to say its direction and magnitude are important. Well, because velocity is a vector quantity, then momentum is also a vector quantity. Okay, so both the magnitude and the direction are important when calculating momentum. So for example, if this mini here is moving here from left to right, well, that's normally treated as the positive direction for velocity. Well, its momentum will be positive. If, however, we change the direction of the mini like that, then its momentum will be negative. As with many of the expressions that we use in physics and chemistry, if you find playing around with equations a little bit tricky, then you can use a calculation triangle, like this one, for example, in this case where we have the momentum at the top and mass times velocity at the bottom with the division line in between. So we can use this triangle to do calculations. Let's just have a look at an example. So you've got a bullet with a mass of 50 grams travelling at a speed of 300 meters per second. You have to calculate its momentum. Well, again, that's easy. We know that the momentum is equal to mass times the velocity. And what you've always got to watch out for in these types of calculations, examiners always do this if they mix the units and they want you to put 50 in here, but you've got to realise, again, remember, we've got to change the mass to kilograms, and so that is 0.05 kilograms. So the momentum of the bullet is equal to 0.05 times 300, which is equal to 15 kilograms meters per second. Now in the next lesson we'll go on and look at the law of conservation of momentum.